So I'm going to take the pen tool again, start here, build the first part, something like this. Now since I want to build a small curve here, but the path is, the software is calculating the path on its own, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click back here. This will allow me to start again, and I'm going to just build a small shape here, and I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to zoom it in, build a small shape here, more like so. Again, click on this, make it straight, and click somewhere here on the outside. I think that should do fine. And keep it in the center like this. Click back here, and I'm just gonna move it a little bit in here. I'm holding shift. I'm gonna click out and see how far do I need to go. As I can see, I've built a bit too much, so I'm gonna undo it, and I'm gonna just do it again. Yeah, this is fine, and this is fine. I'm gonna click back on it. Since I want to have a sharp edge, I'm gonna make this, and now I'm just trying to get this feel. It's going to be here somewhere aligned to this. Yeah, I can come down to this path and just a little bit below here. Okay, I'm gonna click back here. I'm gonna click it in. Now, as you might see, it looks real fat at the moment. We can work on that by simply pushing it in and making it tighter. So this is the first side of the shape. I can select this and go here and choose the anchor point tool, and I can work with this path here, take its handle and push it in like so, and this is fine with me. So this is the first part. The second thing that I want to do is to just mirror this image onto this side. So as I was saying, all we need to do is need to make a copy of it and mirror it over here. For that to do, we need to select this, make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl C, and then pasting it in front by pressing Ctrl F. You can do this from edit here. You can copy it and paste it in front. Now we can select this one shape, and if we open the panel here in the properties panel, we have this option under the transform which says flip horizontally. So I'm going to flip it, and we have the other half of the shape. So I'm going to select it and push it in here and join these two together like so. But we can notice here that the edges of both the halves of the shapes are not aligning properly. Now if we notice it here, the stroke is applied to the path, and the path is right in the middle, and the stroke width is on both the sides. To solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to press undo and delete one copy, and so that we have just one copy with us. I'm going to zoom it in, but I'm going to go into the strokes panel. If we look here, we have it here below. In the strokes panel, if I look at it, we have this option here, corners, align stroke, not corners, align stroke. In this, as we can see, the stroke is aligned equally on the both sides of the path. So I'm going to push it to the inside, align the stroke inside. Now the corners are absolutely on the outside. Now I'm going to make a copy of it. This time it should align properly. So I'm going to select this, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, go into the properties, flip it around, zoom it in, hold it from here, hold shift and bring it here. Now it should be fine, as you can see. Now I can take both these shapes, come here in the shape builder tool and press plus. Now we have our basic rocket shape ready with us. So this is it, the basic rocket shape is ready. I can push it in further if I still feel it's a bit fatty looking rocket, but this is fine. Now I need to exhaust a bit of the exhaust shape that they have it here. For that I'm going to take the pen tool by pressing P, come around here in the center. I'll start from here, look for the smart guides to tell me where is the center, align it with this by holding shift and then come out and again look at the smart guides to help me give the shape. Now I can click out by pressing escape, by pressing V, and I have this basic shape with me. I can push it a little bit in. The last thing I need to add according to the shape on my phone is a window by drawing a circle by holding shift and alt from the center, and that's pretty much it. This is a rocket that we are trying to build. Now I need to color it. I need to increase the stroke of it a little bit. I can go here and increase the stroke size, let's say 2 points or maybe 4 points. That should be nice. I can give it rounded caps. I can go in the stroke properties here and give it rounded corners and rounded caps. So we have a much better looking shape. Now I need to draw a circle from somewhere around here. Hold shift alt, draw it out from here. I can reduce the stroke weight to 1. Eventually I'll remove it. For now I'll give it a nice dark background. Push it down by pressing Ctrl. There we have it. I'll select everything here. Turn its stroke color to white, like so. Again hold them together, and now let's just group them together and rotate it like so, and group it again. This one is fine, it doesn't have any fill color set to it, but I need to hold this and set it to white, and I need to select this. I need to punch it out from here, and I think I can do that if I hold this, press minus. I think it will just delete it, or I can add the shape here and then again hold alt and press minus. That won't help. Or I can basically give it the color and match it. So what I'm going to do is give it a gradient color as it is on my phone. The gradient is again going to be a simple linear gradient, but from top to bottom. There you are. Hold this from here, change its color. It's a nice bluish shade. Take the lower side, double click here and bring it here kind of to this light sky blue, firozy, turquoise kind of shape. Color, not shape. And that's it. Press V, and I need to select this guy over here and apply the same here, but I want to apply it by turning its angle. Let me see if I turn it by 45 degrees. No, I'm going to turn this by minus 90, like so. This is it. I'm gonna set the stroke to none, and that's it. This is the icon.